talking about food in English. Today, I'm hungry. Ordering food in English and shadowing review.
I need food!
Sometimes we need food.
I'm hungry.
Let's look at 3 ways to say I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
We can also say I'm starving.
I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
And when we are super hungry, we can say I could eat a horse.
Let's order some food.
May I take your order?
We will hear a question like, may I take your order?
What can I get for you, ladies?
Or, what can I get for you?
I'll have the spaghetti bolognese, please.
No.
A common reply is, I'll have.
I'd like a cheeseburger.
We can also say, I'd like.
Let's take 1 minute and practice shadowing.
I'm hungry.
I'm starving. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
May I take your order?
May I take your order?
May I take your order? What can I get for you, ladies?
I'll have a cheeseburger, fries, and a shake. I'll have a venti triple shot sugar-free vanilla non-fat cappuccino.
Yeah, I'll have a coffee.
I think I'll have a coffee too. And I'll have this. I'll have a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Nothing for me.
Thanks for studying with the English Conversation Club.
We hope to see you again soon.